Hi guys! Today I would like to share with you a beautiful recipe for Valentine's Day. This beautiful yogurt and honey panna cotta has quite literally a delicious berry heart in the middle. You want to start by preparing the berry hearts, and you can do this a day before you are going to make your panna cotta. In a small pot, start defrosting your berries. I'm using both strawberries and raspberries, but you can use any other berries of your choice as well. So you want to defrost the berries over on medium heat until they have all melted. So you want to check through that all of the berries have defrosted. Then you want to add the agar-agar, and I suggest to add all of it into your pot. There's no use in having some of it on your stuff because that won't help the little berry hearts. Keep mixing the agar-agar on medium heat for about 2 minutes until it's all combined, and then you want to portion the berry mix into this kind of silicone heart forms. I will share a link for these in the description box so you can check what kind of forms or molds I am using. I did not add any sugar to the berries because I like them as they are. They are sweet enough for me, but you can also add a little sugar if you wish to make it a bit sweeter. At this point, the berry hearts are quite soft and you will want them to set in the fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours, but I suggest to allow them to set for overnight. That way you will make sure they have set nicely and you will be able to remove them from the molds. As you can see, my hearts have set nicely and I'm slowly removing them from the heart molds by removing the side of the mold slowly. Then you want to place the berry heart in the middle of your medium bowl. You can find the recipe to this yogurt honey panna cotta with a berry heart center below in the description box. The recipe is for 2 portions as it is for Valentine's Day, but just double or triple the portions if you're going to make it for a bigger group of people. Now that the hearts are sitting in the bowls, we can make the yogurt honey panna cotta. For that, you want to add the milk to a small pan and then add the agar-agar to it and start heating it over medium heat for about 2 minutes until the agar-agar has dissolved. Then remove from heat. Now you want to mix the yogurt a little bit just to make sure that it's nice and smooth, and then you can add the honey to it and some vanilla. Now mix again until well combined. Now you can start adding the milk and agar-agar mix to the yogurt while mixing continuously. Mix until you've added all of the milk and until you have a smooth texture. Then you want to pour the yogurt honey panna cotta right away into the bowls with the hearts. Tap a couple of times so that the yogurt honey panna cotta is going to set evenly, and then again allow to set in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. Now that the panna cotta has set, we can start decorating it beautifully. I have some raspberries, some blueberries, and some dry rose petals and some dry roses here that I'm going to use to decorate my panna cottas. But you can also use anything else for decoration, so you can use any other fruits or berries that you like, or you can also use some chocolate or cookies, whatever you think would suit this dessert. Now that you've decorated your panna cottas beautifully, they are ready to be served. And on this note, I would like to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you really liked these little panna cottas with a heart center, and if you did, don't forget that thumbs up and subscribe for some more delicious recipes and fun tutorials. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.